Well, if you blinked last night, you missed this. A reported meteor streaking through the sky. One of our downtown tower cameras capturing this video at 10:13 last night. This camera was pointing north.
Look at that.
That is awesome.
How about from Whitman Regional Airport in Oshkosh, home of EAA? Whoa! Also seeing a similar sight. They posted this video to Facebook. Whoa! There it is.
And then this is what it looked like in Nina. The meteor was captured on a police squad car, the dash camera.
Look at this cool shot. This is up north.
Oh.
Do you see that? This is up near Rhineland there. A little hard to see the meteor, but what you're mostly seeing is the reflection on the lake. Here, we're going to show you, just for reference, that's what the camera is. So it's pointed at the lake, and you're seeing it reflect
down the lake.
off a lake up north.
So what was it? It's believed to be a random piece of space dust that just burned up in the atmosphere. Experts say this meteor isn't connected to any major meteor showers like the Orionids or the Leonids. They just won't peak until mid-November, so it was not that. It was space dust. But how big was that dust?
That's what they want us to believe. Just right around Halloween, there's like a green flash in the sky.
Yeah. I think it's a satellite that plummeted to the earth.
You saw this last night?
I did. I was on the way home driving, and I'm like, it happened so fast. I was like, dang, like I wish I had a dash cam. Like I had wanted to go back and rewatch it, but I am so glad we caught it on.
It's kind of cool to see that.
You almost question, like, did I just see something?
Yes.
Right? It happened so quick.
Yeah.
Because, okay, 2 nights ago, I'm like, Ben, did you see drones?
And then I was like, I think it was just planes over the lake.
Well, the last thing before we move on to weather, you guys, you saw that, you got to make a wish, okay? You have to make a wish. I've made about 15 of them, so.
Okay.